car tips every single mom should know. Share this video with a single mother who needs to hear this. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick. Now let's get into it. As soon as your vehicle gets low on fuel, go to a Shell gas station and select the premium fuel. And you want to put at least $25 worth of fuel in it. Using premium fuel, you're going to clean out the fuel injectors in your vehicle. This is going to do wonderful things for your fuel system. It would be really good if you did this around every oil change. Speaking of oil changes, before you go and get an oil change, you want to add this stuff. It's called sea foam. Over time, your engine builds up a lot of crud that you just can't get to, but this stuff is literally like brushing your teeth for your car. And then when you get an oil change, all of it will just wash away. You can read right on the front, it says motor treatment cleans the injectors, stabilizes the fuel, and just cleans up any deposits and lubricates the inside of the engine. This is about how much you're going to need, and you're going to add it directly into your oil. Remove the cap, and you dump it in. Close the oil cap up, and it's that simple. This is a great investment if you want to keep your engine running for years to come. You can get it at a local automotive store, or if you want to support the channel, link in the description below. Now you can save this can for another oil change or dump it right into your fuel line. This next tip is going to make you look like a professional in front of all of your girlfriends. If your air conditioner is not working, it's probably low on Freon. Let me show you how to add it. So this is your air conditioner. You can tell by these two hoses that are coming out. You want to follow the hoses until you come to this little opening. Simply unscrew it. Then you would attach this end into here. The majority of vehicles actually have it up front nice and close. My vehicle goes all the way back to this big black thing called the dryer. You take the connector, pull it up, slip it on, let it go. Give it a little pull, start your vehicle. You want to turn your air conditioning on. If your air conditioning coolant says that it's low, simply squeeze this, give it a shake, and you want to keep shaking it as it's being added. The green area means that you're filled with just enough Freon. If it were in the yellow or the red area, then you need to bring it in to get it professionally serviced. But that is exactly what you want. You want it in the green area. Speaking of oil changes, now let's get into how to check your oil. If you need an assistant, he can help you. To check the oil, we're going to go over to the dipstick where it says engine oil. And with your engine nice and cool, you want to pull this out. You want to wipe it clean. Put it back down inside. Pull it back out. Your oil level should be within this safe zone. If it's below it where it says add, then it's time to add a quart, maybe 2 quarts. The oil cap on your engine is going to tell you exactly the type of oil that your engine needs. If I needed oil, I would add 5W20. Now let's talk about engine coolant and how to add it into your engine. Your car has a holding tank, a reservoir. It'll tell you if it's full or if you need to add coolant. I'm about right in the middle, and so let's go ahead and add some. To add coolant, our vehicle needs to be cooled down for about 20 minutes, or it has to be cold to the touch, either way. Open the reservoir cap. And there you go, right at the full line. Now that this is full, we want to go ahead and open up the radiator cap. Very important, this has to be cold to the touch. If the vehicle has been sitting still for 20 minutes, you can still open it. And you want to look inside and see if the coolant is at the top of the radiator. It's very important. The purpose of engine coolant is to draw all the heat away from the engine, bring it to the radiator. The radiator has a fan, keeps it nice and cool, and then it circulates back in, keeping the engine temperature under control. When you put this back on, you want to turn it until it stops. And now let's talk about checking your air filter. The purpose of having an air filter is to filter out any dust, any kind of debris that would get sucked into the engine. These get really dirty over time, and let me show you. Let's pull them right out. So mine does appear to be a little dirty, but it's not too bad. This is actually a good way for you to tell if you need to change it or not. These air filters, they can cost you around 20 to 25 bucks, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can get it at a much more affordable price. If you ever want to know what these little dashboard lights mean, simply take a picture of it Go into your pictures and zoom in on the icon. Then save the image. Go into Google and select the little camera at the search bar. After you select the picture, go into the search bar and then type in, "What is this?" and then select search, and you'll get a description as to what that problem could be. And it says right here that your car's computer has detected a problem with either the engine or the transmission. And there you have it. If you're a single mom and you've watched this video, let me know down in the comments which one is the most helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos, and always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only he can solve your biggest problem.